In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you're trying to sign in your PS5 and you get this message. You can't sign in using another player sign-in ID. When you get this message, press the OK. Go back. Okay, we're going back on the main screen, main menu of your PlayStation. And now we need to go on the top right corner where you see your avatar. Okay, there should be an avatar there. Click on it and then select log out. You cannot sign in into a new PlayStation ID if there is already an avatar, already a user profile on your PS5. You need to log out. I'll click log out. Press the PS button on the controller. And now click on Add User. Click on Get Started. Click on Agree, Confirm. And from here, you can sign in into your PlayStation account using the QR code there, or sign in manually. Let me just show you quickly. So if you click on sign in manually, you'll have to type your sign in ID, so your email address, and then password right under. If I go back, you can also use the PlayStation app. So this is the PlayStation app. Click on the cogwheel, go down, click on click on scan QR code. And now simply point the phone towards the QR code, press approve. Click OK. And just like that, you see it took less than 15 seconds. It's much quicker to sign in using your phone. I have been able to log in into my PlayStation account. So now click on sign in. Click next. Here it's up to you to choose whatever. Click apply. Click confirm and continue. Here it's up to you if you want every time you turn on your PlayStation to require a login passcode. If you don't want that, just keep it off. Here too, if every time you're gonna check out and buy some games, do you want them to ask for a password? Well, again, it's up to you. If you have I don't know, somebody else using your PlayStation account, your user account, it's good to have them turn on so they don't start buying stuff without you knowing. Anyway, click OK once you have selected whatever is your preference, and now you just have to wait a bit more. Here you're not obligated to do this. You can click on do this later. It's not that important. Click OK. And finally, here we go. We are finally logged in into your PlayStation account. If in the future you want to sign out, you just need to go into the settings, click users and account. And from here, go all the way down and select other, and then select sign out. This way you're gonna sign out. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.